Good afternoon, this is Zach from Boss Motors. This video is for John. Just going to do a quick little walk around here for the bike that you had expressed interest in. We got an email for it today, so I'm just going to do a quick little walk around, show you the tires, the pipes. We'll go over price, kilometers. Super sharp, very, very clean. 2015 Honda VT1300. And if I'm not mistaken, it's a very low mileage bike. So we'll look at the info here. 2015, so it's actually only got 1,200 miles. So again, for the year, very, very low mileage, meaning that this bike was probably from the States, of course. Pricing is going to be $12,499 plus taxes and licensing, which means that we don't charge any other fees here. So that bike is fully certified, comes with all the certifications required and detailed, and everything is checked. So if you have any other questions or you wanted to come take a look at it, just respond to the email and we can go from there. All right, thanks a lot.